This is my tutorial for a Bob Ross inspired Halloween storybook peekaboo tumbler. I've already sanded and prepped my tumbler using an 80 grit sanding block and Rust-Oleum spray paint in gloss purple. Now we're ready to add our glitters. I'll be doing an ombre effect on the front and a single glitter color on the back and on the handle. We'll be using all Peachy Olive glitters today to highlight the glitters that are available in the Peachy Hocus Pocus bundle that's currently on the website. I know I'm a kinda late, but I was out of town and then I wasn't really prepared last week, but hey, what better way to officially start off spooky season today than with a Hocus Pocus themed tumbler? It was kismet. I let this layer cure, sealed with Krylon Triple Thick, then added one more coat of epoxy. Now we're ready to add our first layer of vinyl. To create depth, I wanted to add my vinyl on separate layers, so I did the parts of the decal that would be furthest away first, which is the spooky house and the moon. To help me keep my decal elements in frame, I cut out the size of the whole circle with stencil vinyl. I'll be using this piece as a guide so I know where my decal will fit within the peekaboo circle. Seal this layer with epoxy, then we'll be ready to add our next layer of the decal, the witch, bats, and pumpkins, as well as our stencils for the witch hat peekaboo elements on the back. When you have your decals where you want them, spray paint your tumbler. I'll be using black and purple. I didn't film the spray painting, I am so sorry, but if you would like to see how I did it but with blues, check out my winter scene Bob Ross inspired tumbler from last year. I'll post a link to the tutorial in the upper right hand corner of your screen if you're interested. Seal this layer with another coat of epoxy, then we'll be ready to add more of our decals. For my outlines and little extra bats, I'm using this really cool reflective black hollow vinyl from Tech Wrap Craft. It has this holographic look in normal light and reflects light in darker settings. It's absolutely perfect. I love it. Now, if you guys are Bob Ross fanatics like me and have watched pretty much all of his videos, you'll remember how he would sometimes take one of his happy little trees and have them coming out of his circle paintings. You know, like how he do the circle paintings like I'm doing right now, how this whole look is inspired by. Anyways, we're gonna do the same thing, but with our spooky trees. If you would like to use these same SVGs, I'll have them all available as a set in my Etsy shop. It will include all of the files shown during this tutorial. I'll post a link in the description box down below. For my final decal, the word art, I want a nice smooth surface, so I'll be sealing with another coat of epoxy and adding more sparkle while I'm at it, cause why not? I sealed with one last coat of epoxy, and then I was all done. That's it, guys! Thank you so much for watching my tutorial. A huge thank you to all of my mentorship and channel members. Your support is literally everything. Have fun making your Bob Ross inspired Halloween storybook tumblers, and I'll see you again next time. Bye!